ass is out. Ooh, ooh, hit it.
Wait, Bretman, I want to hang out with you this round.
Okay. Let's go, Corpse.
What up, baby? Let's go.
Who told you
No,
about
got it.
Mahal Kita? How did you know about that?
I have a lot of Filipino friends.
Does that mean I love you?
It
Where you from?
does.
Yes, it does.
They told me not to say mahal na mahal kita. They said that I don't say that unless it's...
Yeah,
I don't know
that's
what that
too
means.
much. That's too much
Yeah.
love.
What is that?
Mahal
What
na
does that
mahal is
mean?
like, it means I really, really, really love you.
Oh,
Problema
Right.
salutong.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. We're learning
just-
Tagalog.
Yeah, 101.
I'm also from San Diego. So.
Mahal kita.
You know, Corpse, you kind of sound like my ex. It
I'm
kind of
sorry.
freaks me out. That's why I kind of like stay far away from you.
Yeah, that's a good idea, honestly.
Oh no, Corpse.
No,
It's very triggering.
Bad
I
vibes.
can stay away from you this round if you want.
No, don't, Daddy. No, I was
So,
just saying.
It was that kind of relationship, huh?
No, he was cool. Unless you are him. Oh my god, no one knows what you look like.
Oh, sure. Is that why you're wondering how I know
AJ?
some Filipino or Tagalog?
Yeah, AJ, I miss you if you are him.
Huh?
I'm kidding.
Hey, Corpse, where are your
Look
cat
at your
ears?
phone in 15 minutes.